China is one of the world's leading countries whenever it comes to technology and electronics. And today we're in Shenzhen, which is a mega city in the southern part of China. And we have come to Huazhong Commercial Street, which is home to the largest electronics market in the entire world.
So as Owen said, this is a commercial street. So we thought by that it was going to be a big pedestrianised area, which it is. However, we've got bikes absolutely everywhere, and we knew that e-bikes were a really big thing here in China, but we've recently learned that you actually don't even need to have a license to have an e-bike or to drive an e-bike. So I think that's why they're even more popular, but you literally have to watch out from every angle so you don't get run over, even in the pedestrian area.
Man, this place is wicked. They have everything going on here. There's literally every kind of like tacky, geeky store that you could imagine here. It's like an absolute like tack head's heaven. We've walked past so many DJI stores that I'm dying to go into. Everywhere selling Apple products. Well, when I say they're selling Apple products, I haven't checked out whether they're legitimate or not yet. I'm gonna find that out soon. But there is everything going on. We have come here with a bit of a shopping list and a few items in mind that we're hoping to pick up today. But after all, this is the largest electronics market in the entire world. So we might end up buying a few more things than necessary if the price is right.
I don't know whether you can see it or not, but the drone stores are literally test flying the drones out in this like big area. We seen like 5 drones at one point and I was like, what the hell? And then I literally seen a man letting it off from the drone store and taking it back in. So if you want to buy a drone, you can test fly it here. It's up there. Woo!
You're just buying that into the chest. Sorry. Bye-bye. I thought I was making some friends there, but you know, the conversation wasn't going too well. So just as we're walking around the streets here, there's people out selling loads of different things, and there was different wee flashcards that they're trying to sell you all of the different items. But strangely enough, they don't seem to be selling electronics, or not the people that have showed us the flashcards yet. Lots of them are selling watches and handbags and different kind of designer items and accessories, which I didn't really expect to find in this district. I thought it was all more focused on like tech and electronics, but turns out it's not.
Shenzhen is also known for its fashion, so I'm not overly surprised, but as Owen said, I didn't expect it in this part, but more in the fashion district. And we're into Aircon. We've been to these tech type of malls before, mainly in Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur, and it seems to be that they're broken up by floors. So one floor will be laptops, the next one will be like headphones, then audio, different things like that. So now we just kind of have to figure out which floor is which. But here we've got a lot of watches. We've got a little bit of a mix. We've got watches, we've got AirPods. I don't know what these are, maybe like security cameras. Samsung AirPods. Oh, the Boss ones are nice. Yeah.
Yeah, like the in-ear ones. How did they go in? Oh, they clip around.
Oh, wow.
Only putting it inside.
Getting them paired up. Well,
They're actually not too bad.
I just tried out the Samsung ones and they are so good. The audio quality is brilliant. We did get some AirPods not that long ago and the audio quality is shocking on them. So Owen's just saying how long the battery life is on them.
Do you know?
These are only 160.
The battery life's 5 till 18 hours.
Oh, that's
so
a great
quite a
jump.
Do you know, can they connect to laptop also?
Got loads of stuff. We've got AirPods, Samsung, and then all of these smartwatches as well. AirTags. Yeah, how much for Beats? Yeah.
It's 199.
199? Can I try it?
Yes.
What is the best price you can do for
How many pieces?
one piece? Just one piece.
Ready to try, yes. Copy the one by one.
What's the very best price you'll do for the AirPods?
Same.
The same.
Yes.
Now we do know that we shouldn't walk into somewhere and buy the first thing that we see, but sometimes it just happens to be the way it works out, especially when the quality and the price is so goddamn good. Will you do 150?
Just one?
Or I take 2 for 200 for 2.
No. Because this one is very high quality.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about 250 for two. No.
You're not having it.
What?
So, this one can.
This one can.
Yeah, this one can.
I think I'd rather have the better quality.
Yeah. What if I took one AirPod and one Samsung? Yeah. 250 for one Samsung and one AirPod. Don't hate us for haggling. It's part of the game here, and everybody loves a good deal.
300. Very good, really very good.
Very good, very good. I find a price okay. 250, I find a price. Come on, last sale today. 250, we take one and one. Okay? 280. I do 260. Okay. Last deal today.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Which
We
color?
take. Do you want black?
I kind of like the purple, but if you want,
Do you want purple?
can we go purple?
Okay, we take purple
Can I
and we
see
take
purple?
white. I'm not.
Okay, no, okay, no. We'll go.
Do you want black? Maybe
We'll
because
go
they have
black.
black and white.
Okay,
Okay,
black.
one black Samsung. Hilarious.
What are we doing?
All okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's see. Oh, thank you so
A good way
much.
to end the day.
yeah. Have a good day.
Okay,
Bye bye. Oh,
Okay.
Owen has just wandered into one of the many camera shops here because we are in dire need of getting some new batteries for our camera. We give them a hard time, and Owen is just checking to see if the man has them for our camera, but there's so many different things in here. If you're looking for audio, mics, different types of cameras, different lenses, you've got all of your action cameras over here as well as your professional cameras. That's what I call like our real camera. But you have got loads of light setups back there, you've got tripods. So the man is just ringing up the warehouse to see if he has the batteries in store, and then they will let us know what price they are and if he can get them. But I do feel like the people here all kind of are connected to one another. So if this camera store doesn't have them in stock, I'm sure somebody in the building will. So fingers crossed.
Yeah.
And then
that
this
goes into the
connects in.
side, but then where does that like go on camera or on body?
We also spotted some wireless mics that we have been eyeing up this long time. So Owen got chatting to the
so
fella in the
plug in
store
here,
about them, and quite
But
unexpectedly, he decided to open them up and connect them to
time.
our camera, which then led us to getting these beautiful close-up shots
know
of
what I mean?
mine
It's
and
like-
this
Yeah.
lovely man's face.
Where does it go then?
I'm gonna take a seat. This is Owen's forte. Wow, what did you agree to?
Okay, 140, and we've got some new camera batteries as well.
What country do you people?
We're from Ireland.
Ireland.
Yeah,
Oh,
Ireland.
Football.
Yeah.
The Ireland football.
Do you know Conor McGregor?
I know the.
Michael Owen?
Michael.
Michael Owen, yeah.
Ireland. England. Ireland.
Yes, beside
England very
beside
close.
England. Beside England.
England.
Yeah.
Two very different countries,
I know,
but
I know.
close. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we've got another deal done. We have got ourselves a new camera battery, which is something we were badly in need of. It was 140 yuan, which is about £15 sterling, and I done a wee bit of research, and it seems to be a pretty good brand. It's not an original Fuji, but I'm happy with that nonetheless.
The price started at 180, so after a bit of haggle and getting to know the guy, he dropped to 140. Woohoo!
What do you see?
These are really funky. We like Polaroid cameras. Look at this one, but they come in much funkier versions. We've got little dinosaur ones
Oh,
over
that's
here.
cute.
But they print out like little Polaroid pictures.
Is that on like paper too?
I
Yeah.
think it's just like paper. I don't think it's anything like too special.
It looks like a roll of toilet roll, doesn't it?
It's not toilet roll, I can confirm. But that's so funky.
That
And
is
then
very
look
cool.
at
I like
the
that.
screen.
It's like an old school Game Boy nearly, like, isn't it?
Ooh, that's nice. Loads of massagers, air fans for around your neck. Ooh, what have we got around here? Oh, people. I have lost Owen. Also, I have to ask this.
Oh.
So this guy is from Toy Story 3 or 4. And he pops up everywhere here in China. I see people wearing them on t-shirts and like loads of merch just about this guy. I thought he was only in Toy Story, but does he have a show of his own? Because why is he so popular in China? I don't know. I love it. I love strawberries. So Please tell me.
So it's not all just new products you can get here, you can also get second-hand tech here as well, and the area we've come into at the minute is all second-hand. We have phones, laptops, tablets, watches, and pretty much everything you can imagine.
Loads of iPhone 14s going about. And a million other types as well that I don't know.
So that was very funny. We were looking at different iPhones. We're in the market for a new iPhone 15 Pro Max specifically. Both me and Ashleen have iPhone 11s and they're a wee bit outdated and they're slowly starting to give up and we need a new one. And basically we've seen loads of ones in this second-hand area and we're totally open to getting a second-hand one. However, the one we went to look at had a sticker on it that said iPhone 15 Pro Max XR, and I was like, okay, I'm going to inquire and see what it's like. Getting a pushy here. And basically the guy was able to translate over the phone to say that it used to be an iPhone XR that they changed and converted to an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I was like, what do you mean changed? I was like, how do you do it? And he's like, we changed the body. So they must have been able to take like all like the actual like inside of the phone, all like the chip hardware.
You can tell we're really
I'm not into tech. I'm not into tech. I don't know what all the terms are. Basically, they were able to take the brain out of the iPhone XR and put it into the body of an iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it looks like a 15 Pro Max. It's actually an iPhone XR in terms of how it actually functions.
So now I'm doubting myself altogether.
Yeah, so now I think we have made the communal decision that we're not going to buy a second-hand iPhone in this market because that just seems slightly too dodgy for me to put quite a significant amount of money into a phone, even though they are still cheaper here. This guy was looking, I think it was like roughly like 600 US for that particular phone.
He had another one that he claimed was an iPhone 15.
Claimed.
Which was 7,450, which is the equivalent
sterling,
to like...
yeah. But
7,450 yuan.
Yuan, 7,450 yuan, which is about, you know, 750 to 800 pound sterling, or around maybe like what, 900 US, something like that. And yeah, it was a second-hand 15 Pro Max supposedly, but we're not going to take the risk on them ones. What do you got?
I'm looking at Apple Watches.
Ooh, that's quite nice. The pink and that's lovely.
Well, I actually seen this one first. Three different colours. I've seen this one first, but these ones are just a smaller face than this one. But I quite like the texture on the...
You have quite a small wrist though.
I do, and then that's why I was like, okay, maybe I should go smaller.
How many?
Just one piece.
One piece.
Yeah.
Okay. This size give you this price.
This price for 135?
Yeah. This price
for 130.
Yeah.
And is that best price?
Yeah. It's good quality. You can check.
Get it changed out of Chinese?
Yes.
Yes, English, please.
So I think a lot of these watches look like Apple watches, but they're all like independent brands and companies, and they all have their own application that you have to download in order to actually get the functions of the app and the functions of the watch onto your phone, so they just Bluetooth over. But Ashleen has been talking about getting an Apple Watch or some sort of a smartwatch now for a while. So when I think they're this cheap, I think it's perfect excuse and perfect place to get one.
Feels like we've been going back and forth here for quite some time trying to see the combos that we like on these watches, but I think we're getting close to a deal. We're very, very slowly getting somewhere. So we are going for 2 smartwatches, the same. Mine's hopefully going to be a pink body. Owen's is going to be a black body, and then we have 2 straps in mine and 1 strap in Owen's. Oh, my head's frazzled.
We are wholesale here, and the price of amber is for you.
Okay. We'll do 230.
Deal done. 230 for the 2 watches and 3 straps.
So
let's hope they're what we want them to be.
Black.
We got them.
Okay.
And this has been our translator as well. He came over to give us a wee help.
Okay.
And his friend. They are getting...
Can we take a photo together?
Yes.
Later?
Of course you can. One moment.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye. Woo!
Shopping and more shopping.
Oh my goodness, this is the best day ever.
So so many gadgets, like every type of gadget you could possibly imagine is just here. I think I might pick up a few wee connections for the laptop, just a few wee leads and bits and pieces, you know, that come in useful in life.
Into a full security section now where you've got loads of CCTV. Oh wow, that was loud. Loads of CCTV, cameras for your house, like doorbell cameras here, everything. Made a new phone case on. It's so funny looking around at all the really nice glitzy, glammy phone covers that there are. And these are the ones that we always go for. We just love a good plain bumper case.
Simple, we just love a pure, simple, clear, transparent case. So,
if it falls, it's got a little bit of protection.
2 new cases.
Yay! Well,
I think we're getting a new hairdryer.
so we've literally got so many different options. We have got 6 different colours. 3 of them are like the original Dyson, so it's the exact same hairdryer as what the Dyson hairdryer is. But we've got 6 different colours, 3 the exact same as Dyson. The power is unbelievable. Then you've got your heat settings and you've got your how powerful you want it to be. And I'm completely blown away. And they also have it in all the different socket fittings, so it doesn't matter whether you're in China, in Hong Kong, in Singapore, in Australia, they've got you covered.
Well, settled. I love that I'm doing this part. This is a hairdryer for Aisling, like, and somehow I've like been taking over this end of it. But
Somehow.
we're getting a new hairdryer for 110 yuan, which I think is a pretty good deal.
Somehow he literally loves doing it so much that he just busts in because he can't help himself when it comes to negotiation. What a way to finish out the day. I really hope that you've enjoyed coming along to this market and checking out what the tech scene is like here in Shenzhen. It's clear to say that we have had an absolute blast today, and if you're coming to Shenzhen, make sure to check out this spot. But we will see you again next Sunday. Bye!